Hi everyone, I'm Jim Hunt and we are at MarineMax in beautiful Naples, Florida. And what we're going to do today is do a quick walkthrough on one of our trade-in boats, which is a 2023 Sea Ray SLX 310. Beautiful boat. You can tell right away that she is a spacious entertainer and has all the right features. She's powered with twin 300 Mercury's with joystick. She also has the retractable sunshade, giving the whole back of the boat nice shade and comfort going throughout. Beautiful stone interior, which is the light gray and definitely cool when you sit down. And she's matched with her gray flooring, which is the SeaDek, which is always nice and soft on your feet. Doesn't matter if you're in bare feet or even little socks, it doesn't matter. She's very simply put, we didn't do the summer kitchen on this one, so she has great storage over in her kitchen area. And then as you move forward, you'll see she does have the opening in the hardtop, which allows a lot of the sunlight to come in. So on those beautiful sunny days, everybody on the boat can get great sun. As you come forward, you can see that her helm's very well pointed with the dual digital 12-inch dash. She is set up again with the joystick piloting. And if you notice on the side, you actually do have a keypad, so you don't always have to actually use a touch screen. You can actually use the keypad to control the electronics, which is very nice. She's also outfitted with the Fusion stereo system and actually upgraded to the premium level with the JL audio speakers. As you can come forward on the boat, you can see she just shines even more because of the fact she has great seating up here for 4 or 5 or 6. And she's also set up with the windlass anchor and the stainless steel just to give it a little bit of, sort of bling right to the boat at the end. So come on into Naples, Florida, and come on into MarineMax and check out our 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. And you can always ask for me, Jim Hunt.